Afternoon, everyone. This is Bruce Kennedy with MPowering America. I want to take a couple of quick minutes to run you through how to resolve problems when you can't get iDECIDE to work or when your email is not functioning inside or with iDECIDE. So we're going to get started here in just a second. I'm pulling up the proper website that I need to start with. This will only take a few minutes to show you guys to make sure you're doing this correctly. First and foremost, if you're having trouble with iDECIDE, make sure you log in and you get into your back office. You're going to go to your CRM. I'm going to move through this quickly because most of you know this already. And let's say that you want to send an iDECIDE. So if you hit the Send iDECIDE button and it tells you that you are unable to send, so this is what would come up. It would send the iDECIDE and you would hit Send. Okay, now if you get an error message, it will upper right corner here, it'll say oops or not able to send or whatever it tells you in red, the little red box. And most likely you're going to, because you have an email problem. So you're going to cancel out of that. You're going to go up here to settings and you're going to go to email configuration. And you're going to make sure that you have all the proper email information in. You're going to click on one of these boxes that fits the type of email ISPN that you're using, Internet Service Provider. Usually, with anything that has to do with MPowering America, it's Google based. So you would click on Google hosted, and it will fill in these areas here, SMPT, POP. This is not changeable, the date created, and you would put your password in and the email in that you want in the system. Okay, so that's verifying your settings right there. Click verify. It's going to say success or it's going to say failure. In this case, it's successful. If it says failure, okay, if you got that message and it says failure, I need you to go do something else. So you're going to go into your email. Okay, so we'll pull over my email here for Google. This is my MPowering America suite. I'm going to click here on my 9 dots. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click administration. And then I'm going to verify that it's me, that Google asks that, you know, what my password and everything is, and it takes me in. If you don't have administrator access, you need to go to the people that have given you the email that you're using and have administration access. But once you do it, if you're in the back office here, you're going to see all of these icons here, and you're going to need to go into your security configuration. Click on security. It'll open up that page. And you want to scroll down here to this line here, less secure apps. Click on that and make sure this is closed. You can close that. Make sure that your less secure apps is allow. Okay, allow users to manage their access to less secure apps. Make sure that clicked. Make sure you hit save and you're good to go. Okay, now once you've done that, you're going to come over here back to your email. You're going to go back up here to your 9 dots. And you're going to go to account. So this is the MPowering account. So I'm going to click on that. And now you're going to end up with this page, and then you're going to go to security. And you're going to scroll down, and you should have a box right here that says less secure app access. Now, most of the time, once this box is showing on your screen under the security tab under Google account, then you're going to see this button and it's going to say off. Okay, a lot of times if you're having problems with iDECIDE in the email, it's going to say off. So remember, you're going to click on this and you're going to turn it on. In this case, I'm not clicking because mine is already on. So you're going to turn it on. Once you've turned that on, you can go back to the page. We're going to go back in here. Okay, once you get to that, you're going to go into your CRM. Okay, and you've done your settings where you went to your settings and you went to email configuration. Now that you've turned on that secure app and it says on here, and then of course it says on here, you did those 2 steps. Now, when you're going back over here and you put this in and you hit verify settings and those secure apps are on, you're going to get this success mail. Okay. This is what stops people from using iDECIDE, is because you haven't done the secure apps. So once again, real quickly, if you have to play this little recording several times, that's fine, but it's pretty straightforward. You're going to go into Empowering America. You're going to go to settings. You're going to go email config. You're going to make sure your email address, your password is correct. You're going to pick your provider, Outlook, Yahoo, Google, Gmail. A lot of people, it's Google. You're going to click that, and then you're going to hit verify settings. If it says red, not accepted, didn't pass, etc., you're going to start here, here, click admin. You click on that. That opens up the admin console here. You're going to click on security. You're going to click on allow users to manage. Excuse me, you're going to click on, first to get there, you need to go less secure apps. You're going to click on allow users to manage. You're going to save it. Got to save it. Then you're going to back over to your Google account. Remember how you get to that? You click up here, right there, and you click on account. All right. Then you go security. Scroll down. There it is. The box shows up after you've done the admin change. If you haven't done this, you're not going to get this. This box will not show up unless this says allow users to manage. So you have to do both steps. That's where a lot of people are screwing up on this. Then turn it on. Then go back to your Empowering America, run it again, verify settings. Once you get that green success button that you're seeing here, you should be good to go. Okay, now you're done. You go to your CRM. You have your client contact open, the client's information here. You hit send iDECIDE. The email will show up. Make sure everything's correct. It's going to the right place. There's your link, and you hit send. And of course, it should tell you success, email sent. So it also says, oops, I don't know why I did that, but the success was the email was sent. And I can go over and look at my Empowering, and it'll show me here. And there it is. Here's my email that says it was success. Take control of your finances. There's the email that went out, and we're good to go. Okay, that's it for now, you guys. I think I just wanted to share that with you. I hope that helps. Have a great day. And if you have any questions, remember one last thing. If you can't get it to work after you've done all those steps, go up here to help, go to support ticket, type in that you're having a IT request an email issue right there. Is this a follow-up? If it's your first time on this case, then say no. If it's not your first time, then say yes. Put in your message as to what the problem is, and then hit submit ticket. And then that'll go into our IT, and they'll reach out to you. But before you do this, follow the steps that I showed you. Okay, everyone, have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.